Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am going to be planning for Tuesday, November the 15th. So I have my Erin Condren Daily Duo and I have the Harmony Neutral, which I love. Mine's an A5 size. And then I have my sticker kit that I'm going to use from SimplySmithStickers, and this is a really cute fur babies inspired kit. So yesterday, let's talk about what I did and what I didn't do yesterday before we get started. I did not work out. I did do the dishes and I cleaned out all of the litter boxes, which was a chore. I emptied all the litter out and put fresh litter in every single litter box. That took a lot of time and energy. And then I cleaned up my daughter's bedroom and I did get some laundry done. And if I didn't mention, I did the dishes as well. And then most notably for yesterday is my credit score went up to 743, which is phenomenal considering the fact that 2 years ago, I was in the 500s. So let's go ahead and get started for Tuesday. I'm going to flip it around this way so I can put the heading on. I finally got a few things done on my to-do list. So I definitely feel a lot better about yesterday than I did the day before. I still didn't work out. You know, a friend of mine, very wise friend, told me once, very recently, if you have time to talk yourself out of it, you have time to do it. And that is so true. And the day got away from me yesterday, and I just did not take the time to do a workout. And so I know I need to get motivated again to get my workouts done. I've already put back on some of the weight I lost, so that's not good, but it is on the to-do list. It just didn't happen yesterday. All right, so I have my check boxes down. Let me put the to-do script at the top. And then let me start blocking off my meetings. I have, of course, a meeting from 3 to 5. I'll use these skinny strips because I don't use them anywhere else. That way at least they'll get used. So 3 to 5 is blocked off. And then I have another commitment at 6:30 that I need to go to. And then work meetings. I have my typical morning meetings that are from 7:30 to 9:30-ish, 7:30 to 9, somewhere around in there. Close enough. And then I think that's it for meetings. So let me put one of these meeting script stickers up here at the top. These are quite tiny. So meeting up there, and then let me get my TWC meeting for 3 to 5. And then yeah, there's another meeting script. So we'll grab this and put this down here at the bottom. So that's it for my meetings today. I think I have a customer meeting today because it's Tuesday, but I don't know for sure, nor do I remember what time it's going to be at. All right, let's put this bottom box down here. Okay, fabulous. Okay, so now the stickers are down. And do I need to use stickers? No, but do I like to use stickers? Absolutely. Just makes it more fun. I'm more likely to use my planner if I enjoy the process. Okay, let's talk about my to-do list. I am going to try to work out again today, so I'm going to put that at the top of the list. And I have no idea where my friction fine liner is. The cats must have swatted it. It's probably under the couch somewhere. So this is a Tulle pen that I got off of Amazon. It's a medium point. And I like the way this one writes. Let's just hope I don't make any mistakes because there's no eraser. Okay, first is workout. And then I definitely need to do dishes. Dishes is an everyday task. I need to go to the bank still. I was on call yesterday, so I wasn't able to get by the bank. Oh, I did call my nephew. It was his birthday yesterday. Okay, so bank, and then I need to film my cash envelope stuffing, and I need to film sinking fund stuffing. And then definitely still need to do the laundry. I started it. I got one load done, but I still have more to do. And let's see. Carol Ann not here. Seems like there's less on the to-do list, or maybe I just have more time to get things done. I think we'll just put pick up. Just pick up the house, and that will like be all encompassing of just, you know, cleaning up for the day. So I guess that's everything for today. So I do have, you know, an errand to run. But aside from that, I am eating out of the pantry this week, trying to use up what we have while Carol Ann is on her great adventure for her clinical rotation out of town. And there is a lot of food, so I don't even know that I'm going to do a grocery haul this week. I don't think I even need to, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's it for me for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye!